Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Technology Channel World. My name is Vasiraj and today we're going to unbox a new Samsung M11 2020 phone, and that's what we're going to see detailing in this video and see the demonstration and the review of this mobile. So now without any further delay, let's get into our video. This is a new Samsung M11 mobile, so you can have a closer look. So now let's start unboxing this mobile. So I have a knife with me to peel this taping parts. So now I've peeled it now. So let's open it. This is our new Samsung M11 mobile. Looks so nice. So we have the mobile in this. Next is this. So this is the charging cable to charge this Samsung M11. So let's open this. So this is the cable is in white color. So this is a C-type charger. So you can have a closer look. And next we have an adapter for this Samsung M11 so that we can just insert it into this like this. See, this is the adapter that we got from the Samsung mobile. Okay, let's keep it aside. Next we have the Samsung manual. So let me open and show you this. So we have 3 manuals in this. So this is the first one, quick start guide. This is the regional lock guide, and this is the warranty card. And we have one more thing in this left over. So let me show you. So this is the one more thing left over. So this is the small pin that we got from the Samsung mobile so that we can insert our SIM cards into this. So there's a small hole right over here, so you can insert your SIM cards. To open this you need this needle kind of thing so that you can open this and insert your SIM cards. So we got these 5 things in this box. So now let's see the specifications of this Samsung M11. Guys, before seeing the specifications of this Samsung M11, let me switch on and show you this mobile. Guys, now I've switched on the mobile. So this is how the background looks like. So it looks very nice. And now let's start the specifications of this mobile. The battery capacity of this mobile is 5000 mAh battery, and this has to be at least charged for 5 hours, and after it has been charged for 5 hours it can be at least used for 2 days. And next let's get into the RAM of this. So the RAM of this is 3 GB. Let me tell you the internal storage of this too. So the internal storage of this is 32 GB. And now let's get into the inch of this mobile. So the inch of this is 6.40 inch, and I mean 750 multiplied by 1560. So now let's get into the back of this mobile, and they have given a metal back in this mobile, so you can have a closer look. Let me tap. So you can see, so when it even falls down it won't break that easily, so because it is a metal back. And let's get into the charging part. They have given a C-type charger to charge this mobile. Let me show you. So this is a C-type charger. See? So you have to plug this in the electricity, this part, and then charge it this USB part right over here. See? This is the C-type charging port. So let me keep it aside. So now let's see the different colors of this mobile. So this mobile comes in 3 colors. The first color is the violet color. So it is in a pinkish way. Next is the second is the blue color. This is a blue color mobile. So I've chosen this mobile, the blue color one. And next, the third one is the black color mobile. So it normally looks in a black color. So there is a fingerprint area for this too. See? And now let's get detailing about the triple cameras and the front camera. And now let's get into the triple camera in the back and the front camera in the front. The first camera in the back. The first camera is the depth camera. So this camera focuses a person in a far point and even in a closer point. So they have given the mode in the camera session. So this is 2 MP. So now let's get into the second camera. The second camera is the main camera. So you can take a normal shot using this camera. So this camera is mostly present in most of the mobiles. So you can take a shot normally. So this is 13 MP. So let's get into the third camera so you can have a closer look. So the third camera is the wide angle camera. So this actually blurs the behind portions and focuses the person, and this gives us a perfect photo. And the other word for this is portrait. So this is 5 MP. So now let's get into the front camera. This front camera is also present in most of the mobile. So this is 8 MP. Now you've seen everything about this mobile and seen the review of this mobile too. And one thing I want to share to you is that this is just an unboxing and a review video. I'm not branding you this product. I mean, I'm not forcing you to buy this product. And after seeing this video, and if you have an idea for buying this mobile and have liked this mobile, then you can have a choice of buying. I'll give the link in the description down below. You can click and order it. So that's all guys. I'm going to end my video. So before ending the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Technology Channel World, and also turn on the notifications down below so that you will not miss any of our upcoming video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye friends. Raj. Bye.